get all the balls right in front of me here, please. We're not going to need them. Thanks, Aaron. All right, class, my name's Mr. Garrett. I'm going to be your teacher today. And from what I understand, we're working on a rugby unit, correct? Okay, last time I heard that you guys worked on a little bit of offense. Today I'm going to teach you more of the positioning on defense. Now, how many of you guys have family in the military? All right. Have you ever seen them marching around? What's one thing you notice when they march?
They're all simultaneous.
They're all, I'm sorry, what was that?
They're all simultaneous.
They're simultaneous, right? They're very organized and they're very flat. That's exactly what you need to be on for rugby defense. So I made a small slideshow for you real quick. That's the England national team, in case anyone's wondering. Yeah. Some quick facts. Rugby was invented in England in 1823 by William Webb Ellis. And along with cricket, it's the second national sport of England. And more people play rugby in England than anywhere else in the world. It's very popular. Just really quick, just my classroom rules. I'll go through these quickly because I want to get moving around and having some fun. Basically, golden rule. Everyone knows what the golden rule is. Treat others how you want to be treated. My signal for attention today is going to be either my voice or 3 claps. If you hear either of those at any time, just stop, look, and listen to me, and I'm going to be giving you instructions. Other than that, basically, we're here to have fun. You know, that's what we do. Now, defense. So one thing about defense, like I mentioned before, is you need to be flat. You see how these guys are all flat and organized. They're ready to get the guys that are coming towards them after the ball goes out. If you're watching live action defense in a real game situation, this is what it would look like. Okay, well, video's not working, but what we can do is, since we're not going to be doing live tackling today, obviously we can in a classroom setting. These are some cues you can use for positioning. One cue you want to make sure you do is you always want to stay flat on defense. This is because if you move up too quick ahead of your team, it leaves gaps and the other team can work the ball through. So Eric, why would you want to stay flat? Very good. Another thing, this could be the most important thing, is keep your eyes up at all times. This way you can see the offense forming, and that way you can make sure you're not bumping into teammates, things like that. And then lastly, communication is key. You want to make sure you're talking to your teammates to either spread out, come towards you, slide forward, slide backwards. That way you all remain in the line. So what we can do real quick right now, is everyone break up into groups of 4 real quick. And then I need one group here, and then just kind of stagger yourselves out. Another group here, another group on the midline, and the last group on that white line bar down there. We're going to be flat next to each other. So I'm going to use this group as a demonstration real quick. You guys, on defense, what you want to do is going to be about arms width away. So if everyone wants to get arms width away. Okay, what we're going to do real quick, we're going to do this in the class afterwards. I'm just having these guys demonstrate. So you want to jog up together 10 steps. So you want to come up together 10 steps. Stop. And then retreat, backpedal 10 steps. Make sure you're keeping your eyes up and communicating, and that way you'll stay in the flat line. If you want to challenge yourself, you can move a little faster. If you don't quite get it, you can move a little slower. A common mistake people will make is people will run up too fast, like I mentioned earlier, and leave gaps. Try to make sure everyone's staying in the flat line. Anybody have any questions for me real quick? Alright, so you guys all want to spread out just like I had that group? And when I say go, I want you to take 10 steps forward, and then back up 10 steps. Good? Yeah. Go! That was pretty good, guys. Anybody have any questions about shuffling side to side. So when I say go, we're going to do the same thing except 10 steps instead of 5 this time. Ready? Go. Okay, good. That's pretty much the basics of defense. So now we're going to split up and do a little game. So if I can get 2 groups on this side and 2 groups on this side. Face towards the middle. Now what we're going to do, we're going to have this group go first. Everyone's spread out flat. So you're going to do this glorious group of 8 now. You guys do the same thing. Now how this little works is this team is going to be moving forward, backwards, or side to side. You guys are doing it. So if they're moving forward, you guys are back. If they're moving backwards, you're going forward. Everybody understand? If they're moving to the left, you guys should be good. Alright, great job, guys. So we'll do minute shifts and then we'll switch. So if you guys want to go first, on the count of 3, we'll go. 1, 2, 3, go. Remember, you got to communicate as a team so you all move together. Great job, Eric. Way to communicate. Alright, everybody hold. I noticed on this side, I know it's doing a great job communicating. Over here, you guys are doing a great job holding shape and communicating. Good job with you guys. Now we're going to switch. You guys are going to do all my hands and you guys are going to follow. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Left. Right. Back. Forward. That's great. All right, everybody bring it in right here in the middle. Now you guys understand why communication is important, right? Okay, what's the one reason we want to stay flat? What did we learn today? Chamber. All right, and then, that's good. What's the reason we want to communicate? All right, that's great. Okay, great job, everybody. I know defense isn't the most exciting thing, but we all did a good job in here, so if we can bring it right in the middle. All right. On 3, we're going to say defense. Ready? 1, 2, 3, defense!